Today we've got 3 tasks at hand. We're going to replace my broken license plate, we're going to fix an issue on the FJ Cruiser that's bothered me since the day that I got it, and we're going to try to grow my social media followings on YouTube and Instagram. Some of you watched the video where I revealed this new set of wheels and tires, and I took the FJ through a really deep, icy puddle. It was an awesome clip. Unfortunately, it also kind of messed up my front bumper, and it did this to my license plate. So not really usable anymore. The good thing is that I already had these in the mail, a new set of Pacific Wonderland plates. So we're gonna start off by putting one of these on the front of the FJ. So the day that I bought the FJ Cruiser, I tried to take off this license plate cover, and I did, but then unfortunately I had to put it right back on. Let me show you why. Now, although this is just a cheap piece of broken plastic, it's actually quite effective at preventing this. I couldn't have that, so I put it back on temporarily until I could get a replacement license plate cover, but it had to be the right one. And this is where increasing my social media following comes in. As you can see, it's custom. It's got the @YTMikeC. Go give me a follow on Instagram if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button on YouTube. This comes from Tough Skins. I did another install of one of their products a while back. It was a set of raised red letters on a TRD Pro skid plate for the Tacoma. Really nice, high quality product, and went ahead and ordered this as well. The cool thing about this is that you can customize it to your preferences. So send them an email and let them know what you want to customize on here in terms of letters, logos, and then the color of the frame. They've got some standard options and they've got some kind of crazy options. They've also got some of the unique TRD colors like Calvary Blue and Voodoo Blue. So really gives you some cool options in terms of customization. So we're gonna replace that broken cover with this new one, solve this rattle, and grow my social media following. And with that, 3 problems are solved. We've got our new license plates on, rattle is fixed here at the rear, and we're set for exponential growth on my Instagram and YouTube. Make sure to give me a follow on Instagram at YTMikeC. Hit that subscribe button on YouTube. If you want to get a license plate frame like this for yourself, a link is in the description below. In the meantime, thanks for watching.